Affordable EV Charger Installer, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania, 610-590-9404. Many thanks for clicking on this video about affordable EV Charger Installer, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania and Conshohocken, Pennsylvania. Call us today if you need electric car charger installation for your house or business. Our phone number is 610-590-9404. We are available to help you with installations and repairs of electric car chargers. Also, today we are going to learn more about tax credits for electric car charger installation. Depending on where you reside, you could be eligible to get tax credits for installing an electric car charger. There are two types of fast charging stations, level 2 and DC. Both of them can be installed in your home, however it is important to learn which one is right for your place. You likewise will need to consider the expense, which can vary from one company to another. Level 2 versus DC fast charging stations. Picking a charging station is a crucial choice for electric car owners. There are two prime alternatives, level 2 and DC fast charging stations. However, the decision is dependent on the type of car. Level 2 chargers are the most common. They charge your EV at rates of about 25 miles per hour. These are normally less expensive to purchase and install. They come with a Sage A1772F plug that works with most automobiles. They are readily available for sale online or in the US. Level 3 chargers, however, are quicker and more expensive. They can charge your EV in 20 to 30 minutes. They are ideal for roadside stops or retail locations. They need 400 to 900 volt direct current infrastructure. Unlike level 2 chargers, they are a little bit more complicated to install. Level 1 versus level 2 electric car chargers. Selecting the ideal electric car charger isn't typically simple. There are several alternatives accessible, and each has its advantages and disadvantages. A good selection depends on the amount of money you want to invest, the benefit you are looking for, and the overall flexibility you have. There are two primary types of chargers available, and each has its own benefits and downsides. The first is a basic house outlet that uses a range of 12 to 30 miles per hour. The second is a level 2 charger, which works on 240 volts. This type of charging is faster, and provides more charging range than the level 1 charger. Utilizing the right power source can enhance the battery's capacity by 8 times. The small level 1 charger is often included with new electric automobiles. It is a little box that looks similar to a regular household outlet, however with a longer cable and grounded plug. Electric car charger cost. Whether or not you own and operate an electric car or are planning to acquire one, installing an EV charging station can set you back approximately $1,000. The installation expense will depend upon where you live, the type of charger you prefer, and how far the charger will be installed from your home. For the most part, the fee for an EV charging station will vary from $1,200 to $2,500. The cost will be influenced by the distance from the electrical panel to the charging port, and the electrical panel's adequacy. An EV charging station must be installed by a licensed electrician. An electrical expert will have the ability to offer you a more precise price quote. A professional can also really help you pick the very best location for the charger. If you want to get a brand new breaker box, this will also contribute to the installation expense. A brand new breaker box costs $500 $1,000. It might be worth the expenditure for individuals who make use of their garage for more than one vehicle. Electric car charger tax credits. No matter if you are a homeowner or a business, there are many tax credits that could be applied to the expense of installing an electric car charger. These can be a huge help. A number of these are federal and others are state-sponsored. You will want to fill out an IRS Form 8911 when you file your company taxes, and this will help you to determine the credit you will receive. Along with the federal tax credit, you might even be qualified to apply for regional and state incentives. The National Conference of State Legislatures has a detailed outline of programs in each region. You can find details about these programs by browsing on your state's website. To get budget-friendly electric car charger installation pricing, and learn how you may have the ability to get your new electric car charger installed for virtually nothing, applying tax credits, call us today at 610-590-9404. Affordable EV Charger Installer, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania, 610-590-9404.